This week we'll be focusing on physical fitness. The first lesson will focus on the parts of fitness. Sasha thought dance class would be easy. The class is actually a lot of work, but Sasha knows that she is stronger and more flexible since she started taking the class. Dance is one of the many activities that can improve physical fitness. Physical fitness is the ability to do everyday activities without becoming short of breath, sore, or tired. 5 parts of fitness include muscular strength, muscular endurance, cardiorespiratory endurance, flexibility, and body composition. The amount of force that muscles apply when they are used is called muscular strength. Strength can be measured by the amount of weight you can lift. You use strength when you lift boxes or push a lawnmower. Strong muscles support bones and joints. Strength also helps prevent injury. Strength can help your body deal with accidents, such as falls. Muscular endurance is the ability to keep your muscles working over time. Usually this lasts for more than a few minutes. We tested muscular endurance during the FitnessGram using push-ups and curl-ups. Cardiorespiratory endurance is the ability to keep your heart and lungs working efficiently. This keeps you from getting short of breath. Cardiorespiratory endurance is used in running, biking, and swimming. We tested cardiorespiratory endurance using the PACER test. Flexibility is the ability to bend and twist joints easily. You use flexibility when you bend down, twist your body, or reach for something. If you are flexible, you are less likely to get hurt during physical activities. To improve your flexibility, you can stretch regularly. Stretching is any activity that loosens muscles and joints. Fat plays an important role in how your body works. However, too much fat may lead to disease. It can also make improving your physical fitness harder. Body composition compares the weight of your fat to the weight of your muscles, bones, and organs. Physical activity can improve body composition. It helps your body burn fat.